They say money makes the world go round, but sometimes it just sends you careening downhill like a brand new skier on a double black diamond. The name's Grayson, Detective Grayson, and I solve financial mysteries. I've seen it all. Fortunes won, riches lost, and some of the smartest minds in the business wiped out like a snowboarder on a hidden icy path. But nothing prepared me for the tale of Gotham Asset Management's Joel Greenblatt and his misadventure on the Swiss slopes of reinsurance. It's a story that makes even the most seasoned investor's confidence freeze up. Converium Holding, a Swiss reinsurance company that caught Greenblatt's eye in 2005. What is it about Switzerland? They're neutral in everything, yet their cheese is so full of holes. The land of impeccable timekeeping, mouth-watering chocolate, and skiing. Ah, skiing. Just like investing, it can be a thrilling ride or a downhill disaster. They say it takes a certain kind of person to get into the business of insuring insurance companies, but it takes a special kind of genius to lose money on it. And that genius was Joel Greenblatt. Now, Greenblatt was no slouch. He made a name for himself in the market with his golden touch, turning pennies into Benjamins like a financial alchemist. But with great returns comes great risk. And this time, he was about to catch an edge in the form of Converium Holding. It all started in Switzerland, known for its stunning mountain vistas, pristine ski slopes, and reinsurance. Greenblatt had stumbled upon Converium Holding, a company that promised to insure the insurers. He saw opportunity, he saw dollar signs, he saw the perfect investment run. But like a blind man trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, Greenblatt was about to get a lesson in complexity. Turns out, Converium had understated its liabilities, like a greenhorn skier understating his experience, trying to convince his friends to let him do a double black diamond. It wasn't long before the first mogul started to catch up with the money mogul. You see, in the world of reinsurance, you're only as good as your risk assessment. And Converium's assessments were about as accurate as trying to find a tiny white dog in a total blizzard whiteout with a blindfold and earplugs in. As I dug deeper into the case, I found that Greenblatt's investment was a classic case of value investing gone awry. He saw Converium's low price-to-earnings ratio, and he thought he had struck gold. But just like you can't judge a book by its cover, you can't judge a company by its ratios alone. I tried to piece together the puzzle of Converium's demise, but the deeper I went, the more it felt like I was trying to untangle a twisted set of ski poles, and I was left trying to unravel the mystery alone. When the avalanche of bad news came crashing down on Converium, Greenblatt's reaction was like a skier realizing they'd left their poles at the top of the mountain. But instead of cutting his losses, he doubled down on his investment. It was a Hail Mary move, like skiing into powder to try to slow down. If only he'd known that sometimes the best way to avoid danger is to just come to a stop. Gotham Asset Management never disclosed just how much money they lost on Converium, which tells me it's big. But who knows if we'll ever get a full picture of just how steep their losses were. For now, they keep the details hidden, like a cell phone dropped from a chairlift into deep powder. The more I dug, the more I realized Greenblatt's gamble on Converium was a series of unfortunate events that would make even Lemony Snicket proud. Overconfidence, underestimating risks, and ignoring warning signs, like watching a train wreck in slow motion. As I pieced together the puzzle, I couldn't help but feel a pang of sympathy for Greenblatt. But as they say, when life handy lemons make lemonade, or, in Greenblatt's case, when life hands you a bad investment, write a book about it and cash in on the royalties. In the end, Greenblatt's wipeout became a cautionary tale for investors everywhere. It's a reminder that even the safest routes can turn into a wreck if you're not watching where you're going. But he turned his misfortune into a teachable moment and a best-selling book. In the world of finance, sometimes the most treacherous slopes hold the greatest rewards. Until the next case, stay safe, investors.